omo ewo ba kese na sa atwo ba timtim no bebre agai o ko ho no ma ye be yam fufuo ni kama na waje usika ahye ho ye wo deep freezer chest freezers air conditioners Canada digital satellite there say buy home appliances e dey o say man about a wager old barrier kokro bite Jackson traffic lights na se ho Kumasi Edum Boss FM Chenwa Family Plaza first floor Patasin so Adum House first floor Kennedy Jackson number no is 0244 385128 0244 385128 Dr. Mensa stroke diabetes hepatitis infertility awon hosem be ma wo mre ye edampem wanyante sewa honam ensan bi na egu wakunya yade bonni bi akọ awowo enamu a Dr. Mensa Sebra tieme odofi bi anom sa che owadu ode be ma ode aka no obeja isa no no ononum ni bonni wi nom ni cocaine nom ni ade enya ne ho saa wa bre no atete oba fa ne ko Dr. Mensa ode aduro mema ode be gu ni kokoma na aduane mu enoa no ye the Samenk Retman herbal powder for retentive memory use adwene mu aduane kwala no no ma de ba ne se bie na adwene mu pani so a enche na refi asem no ebe sa shepu kama kochi ye head office ye ne Guinness depot di hwani mu Omanhene FM building ne won kan kaswa insane SHS Koforidia Old Slaughterhouse Takrade Secondary College Sunyani Seshidwase Dunkwa Goso Edwada Kopem Efiada 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. And I remember that Kwesiada 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. Shannon Son. Freya 0271 173551 0271 173551 and a 0245 958 768 0245 958 768. Nabibia Akoso Kama Eddie Amau Leicester Ghana Limited washing powder de Noane Yaz and one ye cinema and one ye paper fee and one ye dear bibia so wuni yaz de anium srewa you am kama sasu cinema and panta de ni ufri old man toothpaste ya posin no you sing kanka sinyina mo num ye hwam herban so esa bob bleeding gum so ho ban sanitary parts no man nyina se yaza baby diapers a man say yaza baby wipes a man say yaza panty liners almost say yaza for association who you know dimwa use ya sanitary pads baby diapers papa baby wipes any panty liners a fave prayer 0501 390337 0501 390337 and a 0501 390 edum otu foster to nin ya wo toothbrushes e wodwaso Duke Duchess Princess and the Monarch quality say Dimpa Natural Health stomach ulcer last stop what do ho and you what do ho there and ma ren ho kra doctor dey emfidie be sisi so say was the detox system na e be twi fini nyina e wi a the foreign and natural herbal products e bi bia herbal ye the account obutumi yawo chew no wani su brew o da wo na wa chiri yawo ya obo ano etutu wani su ye obasadu ba bia na so akoma bope we nyina ye ulcer symptoms ka honko Dimpa Fred doctor e was second floor Willa Star we dichem so mensi akwa no so on ma no ofuru ya wo kono ano na wo hu ye ho no second floor Willa Star we dichem so 0245 118434 0245 118434 and 0246 744 744 0246 744 744. For saying good morning. Now, what to say?
Oh, yes, sir.
Okay, yes, just say, honorable, Mumino, Mosa, a pomo on a more. Kuma this year.
By this time, they say, Kumu consider, say,
oh, on the edge of Weber. Now, and one another Kufado, Ekasai. Or say, Omanhene Yaw mama. Watu ni din say a friend no clearing agent na mama why no mama onye clearing agent of famra kwanso bibi ba or refer to the appropriate quarters mo ye nhwehwemu e ba omne betu nanim a waka ho asem say obi ani ho afom wona ban mu a e so glaring and what protecting the partner wa clear no sada enti Omanhene Yaw mama ono no e ba asekra ba ye nka ne ho asem o ka che Ghana for say mom we see on time cause on beto abama obi ono corruption adware ni sa scandal like Airbus no wa betodwa afeso ni omanpani jo mama ho ye ne wanwa so obeka say to abama 2024 no over 2025 obe balance Supreme Court ne judges no ne ade do makoguo na anyone because oko Supreme Court High Court crowd on there with approval from Judicial Council nominal Council of State now oko you crowd the Supreme Court Parliament na approve eti da ben no odi obi ko orma Parliament force empires on begina odi ni 2 million nipa kroko tran Supreme Court so my ben John mama no one say a whole gentleman like a former president Beka Sasa and then so exercise no amashase district assemblies we are call district office bia omu churo dino Supreme Court MDC for any anye because omo di abana ko se baby om di akose no bebu anaje se omo register di pa no bebre omo padi Bahama is not happy says Supreme Court to be extended ruling of just nature. They were expecting it to be ruled yesterday, but it's been extended. And electoral commission so Emraman ho kwan say Ochrodino. And you know, Supreme Court, there's nothing called injunction or interlocutory injunction a bar from doing the registration. So they've started. And then so what if you do what you now dinda called district office, electoral commission and in Crawford Metrodin. Untro udinda we asma aba wa Ghana to aba kochro udin ba mra no so wo ho a dey akodan court about 6 parties plus an individual according so ho ono ya amicus curiae odi no akodan mo a ama NDC for they are left whether be mused or amused or whichever way you want to put it. Fuseli, the floor is yours, let me hear you.
You me da CP I mean, chair of your phone with you for. I think said dear just say NDC for your Maya Nikon pa.
Congratulate you on your new appointment.
Oh,
in the region. I read it. You are in charge of
special
duties. Special duties. Politics, your mouth, special duties. Who come baby?
Oh, mine. We are a you who do.
Obobo Gumbeo. Every before I started raging Mugumbe, who shall on a Bobo Mugumbe, Papa 2024. Or child precious director, special duties.
Special duties,
no, my dear. A baby be who I can. The Juma Sadi friend, a baby be who I be crano.
We are said that who crash Isham no organizer.
Isham organizer on special duties and operations. Hey. Political operations.
Omanhene nyamisuro ni tie de nyamisuro na beye.
Very gobo.
Omanhene sire na make no I think say knowing the president I was saying no I believe say the best in NDC for just say you be ignore Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo.
You ignore Nana Addo how?
Yeah, it's irrelevant. It's some no.
I don't think that word is harsh to use on the president that irrelevant. No.
This irrelevant.
Maybe the word he
is,
but not him as a person.
Oh no, I can't say that.
Why
not? Say this no can be irrelevant to the cause of the NDC.
Okay.
Say president choose say your man Ghana Bar Association platform obey children a lawyer for the papa as a so-called astute lawyer obey children the papa na hono koye campaign there. Come on, what is the relevance of discussing such a thing? Ehun hia kwara say be discuss the ehun hia ne say ena me no ka say asama John Mahama kan ya eni nti omuko gina ho mudi natam afram place the mini omubo hye no enne ye starting limited registration omo wo sempoa omo wo
ekroni se sempoa
okay omo wo nsuo na gya nyina gise omo fa kodo ena me no ka say nso afram na yiri gise omo nyina twa omo de kodo
days nsuo no beti
near registration in we.
How many days?
Yeah, 10 days as a 12 days.
They have 10 days, 10 working days.
Tidaben and Sunibeti. Afram River Nankasana Meka. That is where Afram River meets the voter lake.
A yiri.
A honey yiri. Say no. Kudo normal kudo cry dangerous. Just a speed boat. Your friend say boat like maybe. Kese na outboard motor car hono. Just omo nyina fa boat. Etuaka ansa no maba donko krum.
Abe register.
Me nkrofo omo wo fumsua charity ofe akuma. Jise omo nyina nso adware nsuo. Ebe pie bosomfo etena moto so eba Hamidu. Ansa no manya car afa car free Hamidu aba drobo hwan so aba agogo ansa no mabefa kumawu car aba kumawu abefa car aba drobo so just
as a lorry fare.
Yes. And if we say this woman is heartless, people don't understand it.
Which woman?
The Jimensa.
Why is he heartless?
She and Sribo Kwekwe and Bosman Nasare are the most wicked people to us in the front plains. Just say their decisions as far as his favors Flagstaff House and Accra and Kumasi people, they are okay. Yeah, you what Sabi including to money there. You can't mention any electoral commission no or my. This is just one. The Eastern Corridor
you are painting.
Central Front Plains one Eastern Corridor no I call the Bronga half corridor. Omo Ebura electoral area. Omo nyina gise omo fa car, omo fa moto. Ebe crosso the Sene River. Ansa na omo ba Sene so. No mo bedu na Sene River na yiri omo so gise omo nyina adware. Na ye de moto ni sisi nua so, na sisi mbema beti. Nyame enifuo ne campelefo nyina they cannot also come at this time because of the rains. Nti gise omusu nyina ye kakra be dru sene so. Nyame ya adum kra na omatibi dru sene so no. Gise bidika eko anyunofi
no matter so.
Na omatimi atena bi so aba atebubu. Ombedru atebubu a omafa ka aba mampon. Ombedru mampon omafa kumawu ka.
Eko atebubu ansa na aba mampon.
Yes.
So, 3 days.
Just imagine this. Just because of registration,
so such a person will never come.
Baba yiri for, adon so for, sabumu for, prekesa for nyina, polo ne here manchino for nyina.
What it means is such a person will not come.
Obeying. Just imagine this. Into assemblyman and near brea. No so yebusia. Into ebusia we move for jina assembly. The busia for nyina. Or pepasa mbebua na to amano. So now it is the assemblymen who are struggling
because of the upcoming elections
and come and see cause.
Almost soliciting for funds
because they one manipa number register. And you sit in Accra in the comfort of your ida. I can say election is not compulsory. Ubrofo tan ubie wano na card you pay bi akire nipa boss man salary say election is not compulsory until ye no your friend say your offices in to pa no aba. Are you thinking of the chaos you are going to even put on your own electoral officers? Uni tokwa do ombe pata o district offices o because nipa na twa kwan we be duru ho obana se susuru nye omun ko fa nipa bebre mbaye o EC election your friend is saying district officer no kwa na te machine nanim nipa ba ko district officer no kwa na te machine nanim o enye se o fa nipa be se 10 we entama no we amano we amano da bi o district director of election no kwa na te
I don't think so.
They've now been asked to adjust 2 data entry clerks. Nipa 2 no mon fan count. The exercise we know. Abro so nipa miensa.
But initially you were saying this officer.
That was what there was. Who can compete and name the other entire figures in district officer no. Imagine say nipa be say 500 e could go at the goa. What is the kind of speed of nipa mienu de be felisa?
So one yama na ontimi nkoma.
And I know my people. Akuma kosora. Go baby ya de no kura se bi nsuo bi kura mmɛ ho na aduane kura ye ton kura mmɛ ho. Na kom di nipa ogina wie mu a unsa nya ma ne ntem. And the president is not concerned about this. His major concern is to insult John Mahama and ask Ghanaians not to vote for him. Because John Mahama born in say wako appointed a 2016 parliamentary candidate as a judge. Wako appointed mo constituency chairman of Free Doma West as a judge. Now John Mahama can say who packed the course with MPP
2016 parliamentary candidate
for whole central. He's now a judge. He appointed to appeals court. Appeals court.
Does he qualify?
You see, that is mixing your money together. Inti John Mahama Kasa who appointed MPP for no correct.
But Nipa na appointed.
No. Let's answer the first part of the question.
I agree with you. What I'm saying is Nipa na appointed.
Yes.
One, he's a Ghanaian.
Yes.
He has an affiliation with the MPP. Now he's no more a parliamentary candidate or a member of parliament. Yes. He has gone to pursue a course in law. Now he qualifies to be a judge.
Yes.
Are you telling me, sir, because of his past experience as a member of parliament or a parliamentary candidate, if he qualifies as a judge, he should be given a bad deal?
Very good.
A cold shoulder?
Very good. Omanhene, me that's for this analogy. Me that's for this explanation. Inti boni ben pana John Mahama ya inti onu so ka say inti NDC lawyers amusumo hano take interest in the bench so that we can balance this perception. Boni ben onu so aye. So are the NDC lawyers not Ghanaians? Are they also not qualified? Inti some we are qualified as judges. Na John Mahama ka say musumu ma ninji judge adwuma say de be ya ye ba sa perception so the MPP for gu hono we balance that perception. Boni ben onu so aye.
How is he going to balance it? Also the NDC for
MPP for na MPP for na ya appoint some of them qualify.
Yes.
In NDC for them qualify.
But the moment you go on that tangent, say what the uncrow for go to Miss Medem Crow for big one balance here. Now we are feeling.
And the MPP for no quant now.
There be. I'm not saying that, but oh yes, sir. The mindset is now the bench becomes MPP. NDC.
I'm happy we are having this conversation this morning because Nyachumna Waganano is becoming too much. We are over pampering this corrupt government. Because Nana don't kwaye bibia, he's qualified. We're appointing the Nibani are qualified. We're appointing Nimprani are qualified. We're appointing Ninyani are qualified. We're appointing
Nimpana Beya.
Virginia Hesse on your Nimpana.
Former baby mama.
And former baby mama. Okay, Nimpana Dada.
Thank you.
Oh, Ninano. We just treat Nanado so yani didn't buy it in Yashi on the Onya bonnet. I didn't Nanado Kwaya bonnet there. We try to cover that bonnet and redefine it.
Who is covering it?
And you're gonna for Nanado appointed parliamentary candidate, party chairman. You're appointing no. Musi no need any problem.
As a judge.
Yes. Musi no need any problem. John Mahama ko catch NDC lawyer say Minya no mamu njai kwase mu de monko lawyer ko na mo beye. Monso mo mama
judges.
Moninji judges so say de beye.
Na monso so mo qualify say mo be ko hobi.
Yes.
Na monso matimi aboa mo man na tumpon.
That is it. Yes say onu de wabo musuo. Na no president atimi anya ho akogina ho say monto abantia no.
He says it's dangerous and reckless.
Onu na appointing nkro for the feeling honey dey dangerous. Ebie ni say ene afran place for yafa ka yafa boat subonto so akofa cars akoduru nkoko afa ka akoduru koforidua ye kod injection ko to say bi abad Adea mo starting na afran place in the MY register ti application na not to twene ye
to twene wo money
to twene je say wo fie kra date kra for hearing kra wa mayebi. That is the kind of treatment we are getting from them because Supreme Court no hankasa no CJ nankasa lead the example by saying say Jesus menkwa na mema mu date we no or tam register no to ne bag mu na omunyina tu kwan. This is the kind of judiciary we are having, and the president is doing this serebeya obi who said now he has control over the EC, he has control over the judiciary, you know, the mpebia munye. Now control judiciary, now control your friend is saying easier. Sabi ye bufu, so do you control it? Do you control our anger? And do you know the extent to which the anger can cause damage to Wankasa San Nipana Uma Maya Sadiano? So they are just endangering our lives for nothing. And Nado is bastardizing every gains made in this democracy in the Fourth Republic. We are reversing more than 200 years.
How?
Just imagine what is going on. And then we have MPP and NDC police, according to the air course at the probe. It is not glaring.
At the police inquiry.
If you go to the military, there is a serious disquiet. Even fire service and immigration, MPs of especially MPP sides are boasting. No, my funny person of fire service. Some Jinapo fire service people pass out. When Canada, Japan immigration officers pass out. Just imagine. Just imagine. And we are allowing this to go on. And the electoral commissioner, Ukura na ubechire Ghana for say obia civic responsibility. And they say, Uber register to Abano. You have a whole commissioner coming to tell you, say, Abato and your compulsory. Bosman Asari.
The election is not compulsory.
It's not compulsory. Voting is not compulsory. Where should that even come from his mouth? And this same person is still sitting there. This was the same person who catch the Ghana for say NDC is a threat to Ghana's democracy. And Nipa we Otihwa. A better ye to aba wa maperepere ya akoso a bebu NDC ye ndie nim say Abanwe the biggest Waterloo and they say we're failing the youth of this country, especially the up and coming youth. Into nim say the anger among the youth no obie kwan say yenye registration easily na sabi mrante ne maba wa omedi 18 wa ma koma kwadi omo especially at the free SHS omodi ebufu awie no Omunyina register absedo mesi ato abaneti ano. So his main target is to suppress those votes. Ye makwa mo munye nya kwan register no mabeto atia ye. Baba menka nkyere nanado Ira Baumia. Samira Baumia kro beto atia Baumia nankasa. You should wait and see. Onu ane yere Samira Baumia nankasa kro beto atia no. Omupa omumfa your friend is saying First Lady, enkoye electoral commission boss. Onfani Nia Gabi, enkonkoye friend say IT director. 2024 mo ye dem be lose. The message e man for say, kwan bia ye be fa so a ye so betimi akwa register. And the easy for no, see any omo na be da office ho ma de achi because unye ma ye wie ya, ye nka nkyere say ma ye nyina ye megu ho. Ene unwie ya nso nko fie. See ebe jina ho pa we adwuma kakra 1 o'clock say na me ko break aba masa na ke no be chia yam wo ho you will finish it sabi abofra wo say o mane ma me da no bento ampa wo no so ne to da nti ye jina na ehim o ba fa we bi ane bra office wo umpie kura sa wo kwa kodi didi wo ba bi aba wo be wie ansa da ye nyina ye free ho no. If that is how they want it, we'll all do it like that.
All right, Wakwaba. Now I'm pumped to say, come over this year. Very much, very much. No, where pa, so initiative for Joe. Nana come with any dream or say, I'm penny your mama Casse. He will balance the acts in the judiciary as reckless and dangerous. Now, or no, on yet. Clearing agent said the Bahama person would attack a bonono. Ghana Bar Association they cracked about and said they gave the president a platform, but Omokacha said they are not happy with the comments. My Ghana phone to Abamajo Mama because Airbus scandal crowd need no corruption once. Mammy too.
That's it. Now yeah, best I have phone yet for Omadi in Fiedum watch echo. Ne Omoa, baby to moment to me answer or mudding cry, or about to a woman. Say, Ombe Pija on home, no macotro or mudding. Said ye bear, yen cabby mammy cabby a mamuno. Ye say ye beto assembly elections, be you assembly members, or various electoral areas. Until yen say, a honson and punto no, a free eba. nti yɛn nyinaa yɛntae electoral areas no akyi na nanom ne asɔfoɔ kramofo mpanimfo obi bia a wotie no on sorry sɛ ɔbɛkae obi sɛ nipa no koraa refi ne ho a na ɛyɛ nafua aduenu baako a electoral commission ɛde asi hɔ sɛ wɔtwere din no obetumi atwere ne din yɛtwere din no ɛwɔ various district offices sɛ deɛ ɛte dada no a ɛbrɛ a yɛkɔto district level elections no biribiara nsesan nti sɛ yɛn nyinaa gye tum sɛ ɔsɛ biribi sesan ɛnyɛ hunahuna ɛnyɛ apobɔ ɛnyɛ ɛmaatwe ɛne special duties asɛm ɛnyɛ no na yɛde kɔyɛ yi ɛna woyɛ ho bɛrima bebree nso a yɛko gyaw nti ama wɔ appointments sɛ ɔyɛ special duties ano ayɛ no ɔyere ɛne ɔma so ɛsiane sɛ ɔman ne democracy deɛ nhyehyɛeɛ a ɛda hɔ firi afaregyan pɛn so saa nhyehyɛeɛ no a na ɛda hɔ however no yɛn nyinaa bɛyɛ the biggest beneficiaries sɛ obi bɛtumi atwere ne din na baabi a yɛtwere din no ɛbɛn yɛn nyinaa because nkaa sɛ yɛbie saa nwoma yi ama NDC foɔ a ɔmo gidi sɛ ɔmo yɛ NDC foɔ ɛna ɔmo gidi sɛ ɔmo yɛ MPP foɔ anaasɛ CPP foɔ yɛbie nwoma no mu ama Ghana foɔ nti sɛ yɛn nyinaa wɔ genuine concerns a ɛwɔ sɛ yɛde fa appropriate channel appropriate channel no ɛne sɛ NDC foɔ kɔ court no nkɔmɔ a yɛwura nkɔfo sɛ ne di ebire bi efida da mu me ne umama kwanya ne kɔtrans odi saa nkɔmɔ na bi ɛma ɔmo twere kra ba newspapers mu ɛma yɛn nyinaa kenkan bi nanso so sɛdeɛ na ɛteɛ ɔmampani Mills penso ɔmampani Kufuor penso ɔmampani Mahama penso saa na ɛteɛ nti sɛ yesusu sɛ CI no a electoral commission de kɔtoo hɔ no a antimi amacho no enka ɛno no mum no udi 18 years a no ane sɛ wawura district office no akɔtwere udin ɛbra a yɛn heda ni emre bia da hɔ sɛ saa mre we ne ayi asi hɔ sɛ yɛde bɛtwere din na ɛno na ɛmacho yɛ nti na ɔmo yusu ɛyɛ CI no a ɔmo de to aba 2020 no ɛno a na sɛ enhyehyɛeɛ no nyinaa gu akwa mu ne nyinaa te aseɛ na sɛ CI no macho a udi 18 years a no anso awura district office no atwere udin hu hia sɛ yɛbɛyi da bia si hɔ sɛ because da bia obi di 18 years nti enhyehyɛeɛ a yɛde agu akwa mu sɛ ɔman ne sɛ wonya Ghana card na sɛ wodi 18 years because Ghana card na 15 years and above nti wuduru 18 years na no anso awura district EC office bia ɛwɔ ha nanka wakowura no register na hu hia ɛbɛyɛ part of our daily routine obi nko gina ho sɛ wo kofa agent akoye saa ne ma no nyina no nanka ɛho de to so mienu ne sɛ mesrɛ sɛ wo hwɛ how desperate NDC for binom aye ase chinchina do or die affair ese chinchina 8 years cycle no de what the 8 years ma almost made 8 years and yes and I am telling everybody obi a otie as New Patriotic Party supporter say ye no ye nyankwada sa ye nyankwada o de all your special duty brakumawu
now there will be kind of special duty
no that or your adjectives be the qualify now no brakumawu ye din ya twere eye pen any eraser pencil anu afa agents e na omo twere din no ye democracy no ye be protect it. I'm making sure so obianya asundie and elections are here kono and the beauty of this ne say nipa na wa yi no no a ye omampani da John Mahama no obedi oman ne so pen obi anim no New Patriotic Party nso so no ye te aban mu obi anim yen se de yen so yen hyehyɛ ye te ye kɔ yanim no NDC ayi omo flag bearer yen so ye be yi ye flag bearer na ye de akɔ eye kasa ene ne ye a obeye adwuma a waye ene gidi a wode be hye nkrofo mu enye chinchina atwan se wadi 8 years nti ma memra enu nti no yento oman no democracy no nkotwene eye ne saa enye yi democracy ana ne fapem ene se ye de mra be ya adwuma nti enye rule of men eye rule of law nti sa wote ho no mu a na sa wonti bibi ase a said the NDC ebra MPP ye call court 2012 atemufo no bu atem trene ma NDC fo no See you na eji tum ye ko yanim na nsan yewura akuje to black court o call ye no o ye ndisi mrache bedwani o ba o win case no na nsan obi de omampani Imposition of Restriction Act COVID ba ye call ye no I think Professor Twa or some ye call ye no say Attorney General no represent the state maybe or government Attorney General Lusui Sabra judges ya na tete ho and to say ye ka na say bia in your desperation say what promise you obi say chinchina 4 years term no a wanya no na that Ghana for ni wadi ni as omampani dada assembly member a member of parliament say MP say deputy minister say minister so abaya vice president no abaya president at least democracy no wa gain enti nya fe na ye ba be say ye democracy no san say obi nso e wo ho okọ new NCC ya NCC for atete civic clubs or senior high schools any basic schools mo training crofo bebre ani ebegye amanyosem ho any oman ba pa enhihye ya obeso ye ho ne fapem ye democracy enti say wo de wa no ekosi judiciary no so now bastardize judiciary no asia ne say ekoyie ma wo de a wo ma ya de ankoyie ma wo de a wo ma anya de and now I call Asin North. I hear near try. Abano, ya bread bubo ya, a dear see, who can't send me names so my refia. O see, Sadia, I say, don't get ya bought electoral commission. And you post about your corner, but oh, my yes, not in this studio, I'm medium TA.
Yeah.
BTA. And this answer shall be one of my ye. And yes, or more ye a disadvantage NDC. A disadvantage MPP, and I say a Rapalu party. Or more ye, and this a BBA. The best way I'm wakono and it's all back court. Na court no ama afe o hwebe bi omo de kwa. They are personalizing the issues. Omo pick judge we na ya profiling no. Ya pick judge we na ya profiling. And that is not how democracy works. And yes sir, e kwan no so ne hunahuna ane wo de won say chire obi so sa ne ma no Ghana for ya pa ho. The Ghana for hwehwe ne se ne kania begina so. Democracy ni dividend ni bi ni say obesore no wanya abampa empo emre mu odi mu no ne kania gina so. Democracy ni dividend ni bi say emre mu odin no trotro driver taxi driver or ha say no obetumi anya petrol na watumi di akọ na dwuma na okoduru fie a wakoto ne yire nso say enkwan kakra o yesi ni honom no nso so no kanea no ewo so ama ansei ne de ne sa ne ba ne tipai no ye call hospital na se ye be no operation a eno nso so no kanea gina so ne aye no operation ne de ne sa ne ba wa wie JHS no oman no democratic dividend na na mfa so e wo so ne say obetumi akọ senior high school akokodro kwan so ane anigye kwan so ne anida so kwan so say omampani na nado danko akufo ado ne MPP abai no sebem preduasa anya hwe kra no yesuku fees wafa emfa so e wo democracy so ebi ni say obi yare odrobon so na yafa ambulance na the whole Ghana ambulance no eye aduasa enwotwe na omampani constituency bia o de ambulance aba na obi yare a obenya sebe ambulance a ede ne beko akosa ne yare emfaso ni bi ni say wo be si chip aye polyclinic e drobon so na aye referral center ama aye clinic e wo ho democratic dividends emfaso e wo democracy no say wo be kire wadwen na ma kire madwen na oman wa frɛ aba Sompa ha say na emom enye hu ani atuo ene ma ene abo nanu a wo frɛ betena ha sabre na Niger issue yesi sabre ebre bi duru na Burkina ene wo hu de ekoso Burkina now they are saying say on person must go back to democratic rule because enura no a enurachi asojafo no ombetu omutu aban a omato abama no na onye no omo insurgency na ye omo na omu kuntimamufo ne insecurity afa de against democracy say de na omampani na ne ato abama no ewo ho asojafo na mu say aduasia num ne yakun omo civilians 46 ne yakun omo yegusu kun omo ewo Burkina Faso ko Guinea ko Damboya ye nyina samanfo heli Damboya ewo Guinea mebwa enne adwuma ho aye din o Guinea because obi are withdraw ne services uranium o mu tuo no say aye say wa China for funfa enti democracy de ye nyina ye say bo ho by sofo kramo penio kramo kitwa obi biara teacher ni o nurse o ye mo ho by na ye democracy no a ye players no ma MPP enye bibia ebe ma Ghana for ebe ha Ghana for asundie ma NDC enye bibia ebe ha Ghana for asundie na ye nhwe so nkyekere o ma na nkyiri ma entumi nko suku na omo nso empie wo school no meya titire ni anintini na se enra na mi wura don kofuzeni akọ school e wo nimdie e wa pomuden ho na nam so nti okoye DC ya obi nso ba owo ya matwa obi ba owo e friend say anwunofi do ne ba owo boduase ne ba owo e friend say abotan so ani raso no omo nso so betumi abeye say achen but without democracy no saniema we nyina ma hwe onim ade bia nansan yewura adon esedu nketia kan or say they will never and ever support coup meboa na no utie yewura minua okuja double akwa or say coup will render us unemployed wangaza or say how to abangu on MP no because anytime a coup baby so was suspend the parliament
and I pay where from this coup
make democracy see e ko twere din no
ehun hia chance
hia sense e be akapkaka bensem na ye mpene ne ente ase ana wodo ani a kire court wodo ani a kire court jai edin bone ehunahuna any pontification of fingers emfa hwema because democracy no the gains of democracy are very soft so do be ko school so tie adum na wanya store na fridge no eye adwuma sa wo ye baba na wo so sa wo so ame na wakọ eye so ame magazine na wanya kane eso so na de eno na ye ka ho asem so wo hwe niam me de manusi wo hwe niam bi ana wo ka se niam be na wo ba ya be say no esum na wo ho anda John Mahama ena nyame adom kane agina so na school for enkwada awofo tua school fees na akufo ado bae awofo school fees no they say wafa na Mahama penso enkre kwotwe JSamza registration fees no mutua na akufo ado penso registration fees wafa wasi registration fees na John Mahama penso na enkwara ni tua na awofo no tua na akufo ado bae no we ye free ho ambulance na wo Ghana ha nyina under John Mahama no ye 38 na akufo ado penso no ye 341 ambulances se obi odrobo nso na se ohia emergency services na se car ntumi nko ono a me gitum senya ba bia na car tumi ko no enne ye di drone e fly wo dro ye di drone e fly emoja e di ma obi a ohia ade ne emergency under John Mahama penso na sa ade no na eni ho yati aye kan look at the security services e kwanya na do danko akufo ado afaso retool security services entimedia de meka ne se ye nyina ye kakra ye betumi aye ne ahyepede ye democracy na democracy na nyini na amanfo enyini no na emanfo mrantie ne maba wanso nya so mfaso unemployment o ka ho asem yi. What is the guarantee say ya amfa democratic principles anya dwuma na wa anka wasem na ma anka masem na bo abrantie na onya dwuma ye wantie ye mienu no a ntwusu mu baako a mfaso be na wo so. So these are some of the democracy no eya minu mienu na be yama na ye enya media enya wo dia na mom eya Ghana for ye nyina na age atum ye make sure say ye be bo ho by abra ahunahuna bi anka ho
21st clinic expert in sciatica now bomotena na se okopia so ye ho a wo de eya de adokro wo filtri so kopem na ase se wo ye stroke diabetes pressure na ho nkro ne ba nyina no ko ho na mom se wo to ase na atwi wa kopem na ase amo aye boho honam ye obasabasa untumi nantiye na wote pains ankasa de a and the right place is 21st clinic. We are expert in sciatica. Our laboratory and scan services, massage and machine treatment. More than 15 branches in Ghana. Ubuwe Kumasi Overseas Junction, Alpha Radio and Chen Honoma, Obuasi Council Quarters, Court Junction, and Krayo Domi Market. Sunyani Kranzani Tachiman. Your number is 0540 311311. 0540 311. Now me abe ane se obano doctors diagnose no so o sickle cell e mane how cry se we abrantie ba me papa pani mabusua obi etwa ewom etwere yade abrantie wonya hernia ka ho etwo na abehye ho case 5 no say case 7 ka ho for ni kire ho no mo stomach ulcer hepatitis diabetes bacterial infections mami abe ewo tano swapa trapa new site ye ben apatrapa junction ofre ni a ye beje so ye wo sickle cell test and scan test ahodo a ye be ye near the ahawenro no aka abofra no ye ma obosome ba ko mienu na abofra no onye sickle cell patient bio 0243 345392 0243 345392 and 0506 460208 0506 460208 na yenko ye nima no na tie me oti asika ra bank bank sonko a your banking needs can be rest assured. Say current account usie sika 9-10 times super so you be out to me yen. Savings account, fixed deposit, and a susu account. The susu account and the say Utwa no do baby a cabo me and sanya their bobs ya. Commercial loans, ya ma, funeral loans, a year abefio pebosia, but my camwa bombi and and sanma bejobosia, ye yansi who a collateral na say, bibi audi be siwa, and I'm be dimo a general garanta sembia. All loans no so interest no that form say team. Western Union, Eastwich, Ghana Pay, MTN Momo ni na ho. Oti asika bo hu Dr. Mensa Lancer Chemist. En kenken so ye ho Swami Market ya wadra sepebo krom abofo ye headquarters ye Kofi Ase so na mamponso ye ho. Free 0504 842957 0504 842957 3A Herbal Center, the 3A Co capsules. Your friend Coco Master. Na say canin be no be abefa cocoa drobine duty fear 4 days. There be 3A Co capsules there. Onoma e yisi ya dia no you ama mine in every umu. Ashikoko na sikra. Et ye dia no so onoma enka baba ntino obetima no makwa adwuma so abibia na be hwe to say wo yem so ntimu. 3A Bobo Juma at the amount. Calling out Dan Heba Misty and Apidank Ubenyabi Frey 0546 107 107 0546 107 107 Nabi Bian Koso. Miso drink no, it comes in mixed fruit, mango, Sasuna 5G, so a bomodna 5G. It gives you energy, it cleanses your system. Cholesterol no I don't know because ginseng no so Emma Bema etimi rewura wontim ma wotimi gina si ye me ka mema motia se ka se Bema gina ya sa na se ne kire bomodna na unya green tea e wo ginseng e wo 5G muso a e fa cholesterol mti e wo ti e ma so te it gives you a good shape obi onom 5G bia o energy or good shape sa so no e do anwumre so otimi bo adwuma na unya garana ni grapefruit ni grapes na and also a relaxing body no besrewa it's a full meal I can say so ti bomodna na for ni chire KF Kunji Enterprise Rome Hotel so am here Kwakwachi Company Limited Okufo the Eastern region sanso na Nasachi Enterprise asafo abinchi VIP car park obehu no ye niema bi so o manager Daniel ho e wo 21st clinic ehwa overseas Alpha Radio Cheho. Be kind supermarket, sister Sewa, about post office here na Abuhuyanomani. Atcon Royal Ventures War after Baptist University, Boakye, Mama Esaho, PNC Ventures, Anomanji Taxi Station, Yeni Charity Hospital, Junction, no didn't anymore. For 0246 270 221, 0246 270 221, 0558 10 6348. 0558 10 63 open beer tour ofra on Sabeka Boris B Chicken the BBC Boris B Chicken na Mr. and a chicken no a woman no more the steroids antibiotics and vitamins are sheno and Yakoko Jina Honoma or you can see at it only the tools your mind you only can I know a fine David Boris B there no steroids, no antibiotics, no vitamins. And you feed it on kwa. Now, energy seven to say Boris B chicken, it is halal. Because a halal, as a Chinese say, a Muslim malam and a slaughter moano. A 2 year cremonia, utmi diba wibi mani. Okoso awakoto malam no se ono and a gokono or shema bibiaye. Ya dwene mo huntra kramofo ya wo full chicken kilograms 1.6 1.4 1.3 1.2 ya wo thigh ya wo wings ya wo breast onsa akoko bu awoko no a chest ne bu ni sei any wo fillet gizzard there wo layers wo any wo minced meat and on the demand cramai assistant dogs from near the no packaging kama Bantama High Street any president and Mubenya Biato Aswase Market Ubenya Biato Santasi Runabout Unity or Ubenya Biato Poku Trade Adum SG Mall Top High Tech Shell Boadi Soso Junction Hall your hotline is 054 44 44 453 054 44 44 453 Boris B chicken 70 year back up efie akoko in a modern contemporary times efie akoko Grace Gift Herbal Clinic and Laboratory Services yede ayareshe eba wo doorstep tete akwantim pon ye mfiri mu eduane yini eduana haban eduano abra yɛkeka ne nyinaa bom sɛ wɔse yɛde akakaduro ne gyede hwentea pɛprɛ ka ho ne yɛde saw yɛade a yɛyɛ Grace Gift asoɛ yɛbɛboa wa ma typhoid fever hypertension diabetes stroke hepatitis A B C D E ne nyinaa firi hɔ wo de wo de ane sɛ wo de wani akyerɛ Oshim School Junction barikɛse kwan so ɛnkran new Achimota Petroleum Bungalow yɛne Family Life International School di hwɛ Dr. Grace Boadu Sebra na wɔn fa duro ne nkan so paw ne to nkyea na wo to nkyea wi a nkyea no so ɔbɛwe ne na wa hu sɛ noko yɛ gye anɔpɛi watena se Oshim School Junction barikɛse kwan so new Achimota Petroleum Bungalow Family Life na ko hu hospital to say yes hospital near machines ahodoɔ for massage nom ne all scan machines ne lab ahodoɔ fɛfɛfɛfɛ frɛ 0543 320030 0543 320030 ɛna 0244 126 123 0244 126 123 Fuzeli don't come memra won check
Omanhene.
Yes my brother.
See the problem with union mo MPP money say they forget say the crime they are supporting today because they benefit from it, is the same judgment that awaits them tomorrow. Because essence proyeno benefit you are celebrating it. But that same proyeno will celebrate will be your doom tomorrow to come. Because no be a contest as a lawyer 2016 aba where 2020 the president are appointing to the High Court. 2022 no appointing to the Supreme Court. Now say Obika say why are you doing this? Or appointing minister or we are not appointing minister as a judge. MPP chairman or Doma West. You are appointing as a judge. And you, John Mahama comes to say listen, out of the 41 Justice Samuel Appeals Court. Your friend said 31. High Court judges are appointed is uncountable. Over 80% of those who are appointed are directly MPP affiliates. Ghana Bar Association, Ukoma, you were MPP lawyers and you were NDC lawyers. It is a who appoint your colleague MPP lawyers, they call a bench. You feel that they don't see it. 2020 nipa no ohwemo IT sumamo ide bono half origin ono no yem IT director Adea Akye Abia after 2020 election Adea Akye Abia wako appointed as EC commissioner director of IT at the Electoral Commission. And you expect me to keep quiet and say oh bibia ekoso democracy koso sebi at the expense of state capture. A recipe for disaster. Democracy, munkwa na benefit mu, munso sika kogu mu dem, ye beba mu dem $1 million na gu mu dem. That kind of democracy is a recipe for disaster. Because if you can't impoverish all others, you can't tighten the hands of all others. Now unkwa wo benefit expecting say obianka na nuntum. O yes sir, wo suppressing nipa sebi rights any sebi omunia ma just omunya na unkwa wo fon for eduru baby is an explosion that happens. And that is why some of us are talking, say, you are endangering the lives of all politicians, especially Jem Brantene Babawa, Sebi, you are taking this particular path. Because China, imagine say NDC aba abamu na me ko ka kire sebe me yere say because ebia me ye DC ana me ye deputy minister ana me ye minister ntino sebe ye ntimi ma wo appointment ana ye ntimi ma contractor sebe enya ma ware na me dey jeopardize no because why was it able say minister we dey ntimi appoint na yere as a judge who dey also ye ntimi nye ada na minister we dey ye ma president we dey appoint ne ba who dey also ntimi appoint me. The comparison is what will create the chaos for us. I say, Ubana Ubakase, would because and then would the drone ba. Nankamanko see hospital no function wanka drone ukwaka the back see me akum. Ah, manko see chips compound no function honi akuma ho nka drone no fly dey wo drone no kono. Ka the back see me akum. Yes sir. You see, let's not trivialize when dangers are scaring us in the face. So, identity na sebi. Omanhene Boka ewo kurubi so edi so jeni akọ France se munko training as special forces no mbra mbebo me ho ban oba ya ono ebo no ho ban ono asa twa no ho akoyeku. Why would Damboya do that? It is because of the inactions and actions of president ono ebo no ho ban niema bi oyeye ma kwan beda no.
What is happening? What is the outcome?
O de ma say no, NDC will be the greatest losers if this democracy is jeopardized because we birthed it. What am I say? Yen kura democracy at the Fourth Republic. Yen kura yen chim yen wo no. So democracy we say we will be the biggest losers.
Okay.
And let me tell you, coup will not happen in Ghana because Ghanaians, especially the military, see hope in John Mahama. John Mahama is the only thing preventing a coup in Ghana because they see hope. Say because of this, you know, because Niema Akoko so try when she ama nyema bi say esisi so ama bi so Ghana dey nyina atra. But because people see hope in the man John Mahama, say listen, I say kra obeba betene no. Sebi onu obi ka say me nyame boa na me nya $1 million a me ye powerful Ghana we yina di. Obi de yakohu $1 million woni dem. Yakohu de egu na account mu president say me nim say e be wi na ohun so.
Thank you. Honorable,
me do say the American say abaya odwene Ghana for ho na odwene oni bie ne mobro for ho no na danko Akufo-Addo ne raba omi aban no oka ho bi esan say adanse no e wo ba bi bebre ebre bi dure na yenya ni sei na emamefo koton omo ntoma koko na yato koko boy mu amanage aba na bi de omo de akusi awowa na ede esun akwara watwa nso hwe a wose nka woto an ngoma sua so na ede esun ene adwajo na abafie ofani bi papa eni bi enne Omanhene na danko Akufo-Addo ede ani daso Ghana for ye adom to abai ahokyere bremu wiase dia de ncheche wo sikasemu Ghana for adaroma abutre ene ntoto ye pa ye yenti yeguso na meka se edru ba bia eya na ewo se ye nya butre pa extreme patient because na ade ba konso a ema eye mpanimfo bi a obubo omudin so omuwani daso ne se homo ni da so say Omanhene John Dramani Mahama oba wabaye bi obeye ye na omuhu de oyeye enti anida so bi ani ne mu na mom anida so o democracy mu na democracy no ye ko no obi ni no ba be contest. You see Omanhene John Mahama vice president no abaye president. Here Dr. Bawudu Bawumia vice president, and by the grace of God he will be a president. Na mom democracy fapem na be man abaye president. It is important say be acknowledge. Ni ati ase say Ghana no enya media enya wo dia. Eye Ghana for dia. Enti say enko no sa dia wo pe say NDC ni a. Na kire say bibi anye. Na ekosa dia wo pe dia no akogina sen north no abo isi abaso no abegina sen north no abo posifo abaso uwia no aba ha no aba be ka kire say aposifo nyina aye compromise. Aya soldier for nyina ebre bi duri wow communication officer baako odidi soldier for kratem a warning omo say ye baban mu a ene but dia ya kan say oman na no ameba me catch re wa hobrase mu say so who say afa it is real say Former Hospital you invested a lot in it and Kumau Hospital they say recruitment that's actually ekoso and no ne democratic dividends I'm fast sure what democracy say mrantie ne mabawa over 20,000 benya adwumaye and under agenda 111 omo health professionals and non-health professionals say me no ka say ene okọ Afram Plains na mira ononyam for donko say ne DC wo ho na land kese na Omanhene berima safo akodi ade ama national service for ayefuo kakraka last 2 weeks omo executive secretary ayeyura asibantwi akoma free SHS secretary 600 bags of maize so omo farmer senior high schools sabre ya me ne wo ka say mrantie ne mabawa no a omo twere wasi no mako university ni technical university ni ade no the guarantor system wa ene unko chesi obi ansa na waka say mame guarantee me loan mame no ye free ho eda so ye adwuma enti mame no wani da so se okoton ice water kania wo ho na mame ne ton ice water ne ba no a wo wie university onim se kakra tietia bebotoa esan so mampani aso na sene
okay
me de manu si no mesre se Ghana for nyina enya new patriotic party mu didie na mu nkura mu mudie mu esan se Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo ene Yewura Bawumia ne MPP aban no ye nyam akwantimfi da biarada
okay ye nyam akwantimfi da biarada na no pay mame hwe adofo no bi so awoda na Tony Sack Electronics ena ede awoda yi eba na oye promotion be a 10 to 50% discount. So Ubo Rush showroom awa adum new Melcom and then didn't share any munwa. Oh yeah, chest freezers, deep freezers, washing machines, microwave oven, kettles, blenders, air conditioners, as I inverter. Yeah, the Saturday way abase a form I barry, so no tons so a form like barry. The entertainer maswamau. 10 to 50% discount. ABC da. Can't wait. Ura a doom inside so what's limited is standing a triangle and in dish any mupe. Uko PM ewo sunyani so cocoa board runabout. Yani OA terminal no baby a fa OA bus no di ready mu and kind spin test. LC a double kese or for 050 0309 0500309 Tony Sack Electronics to Papa Preko property products. Oh, number 1. I na me kwa na me sha se free. Eye sofo mame Monica Fodjo. Mami ebebo bonyum bi pa sunsum. Onyame sunsum. Na e kama pa na ena no pay eye na woda. Nani Hokani, Reverend Dr. Martin Fodjo, the Glory Temple International, Boakye Kufodia. Was sit young cancer so for Mame Monica Fodjo say, what Doniwu, the happy birthday to you, Mrs. Monica Fodjo, the Unyamisu Sum hitmaker, and ne Ewa Woda. Sounds so. And Mr. Philip Adakwa of United States of America. Your friends at Sompa says happy birthday to you, Mr. Adakwa, United States. Detective Chief Inspector Nene Ahuma, the station officer at Adea Akye Dofsu. Yabo Amaso Mautinkwa, Nene Ahuma. To my sweet girl, Linda Entry, aka Makia of Ejoso Krapa. Your father, Mr. Osei Adjabin, says happy birthday. And then Richard Akwesi Filson of Takrade. This is Akwesi Filson, Takrade. Okay. Then sweet daughter Emerald Na Ayoko Ayi. Emerald Na Ayoko Ayi. Your mother, Gina of Jachi Health Center. And then Mama Rose Sechi of Doma Bibianiha. Ma Rose Sechi. Doma Bibianiha Honawo. Sister Mrs. Evelyn Ousu of Swami. To my sweet sister, Mrs. Evelyn Ousu of Swami. Your brother Taurus. Today is your birthday. Evelyn Owusu. Enjoy your day. To my son Ebenezer Ashren Bimpong of Galaxy Sterling Community School at Marcy. Your parents and siblings sends that to you. And finally to King Ajuman Prempe. Oh, now Prempe. King Ajuman Prempe. I see. Happy birthday to you. Now Prempe. Oh, enjoy the day to the max. Abrante, we will see you down Mawa. A dynamo. A dinosaur. He's a very powerful architect. I can assure you. Happy birthday to you, now Prempe. Enjoy the day to the max. Okay, this is where we draw the curtain on today's show. Tomorrow is Kawasem. Don't forget to be part of it as we give you the opportunity to share your thoughts. Have a wonderful day and stay blessed.